Welcome back, folks. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Ronnie.
And this is the Ron's World. We talk about the things on everybody's mind, but they just don't take the time to talk about them. This week, we're talking about building stuff. Should you follow those instructions, or should you just wing it? Ronnie, what do you do?
Well, they put instructions in the box for a reason, and that's to follow them. It wasn't just to, add unnecessary paper. So yeah, of course, follow the instructions.
Aw, Ronnie, the instructions, half the time you can't even understand what they're saying. The other half the time, they're just blatantly wrong. Instructions, you just gotta throw them out. They give you a picture for a reason. You look at that picture and you dig deep, trust your gut, and you just start building.
That doesn't make any sense. Why would the instructions be wrong in the first place? And I'm not trusting my gut to build stuff because, listen, the reason that they have all these pieces and instructions, we're taught early on. Follow the rules, follow the instructions. And if the manufacturers didn't want us to follow it, they wouldn't have put it in there. So think of all the programming we did as a kid. We learned you go from step 1 to step 2, step 3. Follow the instructions. It just makes sense. Ronald, I don't even know what you're building there. It's not even looking stable. Look at that thing. Mine? It's like a solid rock.
I'm still mocking up. I'm still trying to create something. This is about exploring your creative side. This is an opportunity for us. You know, we've been friends for decades, but when we get into a problem, you gotta dig into it, work together. Don't follow the instructions, follow your heart.
This isn't an emotional exercise. Look, if you want to do what Ronald is describing, no problem. Grab a bunch of wood, grab a bunch of parts, throw it on a table, and make something. But if you're trying to build something specific like we are, you need to know what not only it looks like, but how the pieces go together. It's kind of like Legos. When you build a Lego set, they don't just say, hey, go for it. You have instructions so you know what the thing is supposed to do and how parts are supposed to be together.
Well, Ronnie, I used to love Legos when they just give you a bunch of blocks and then you could build whatever you wanted. Now they only give you the individual parts that are set out in those instructions. It's like they're trying to program us. Let us be our own people.
All you gotta do is throw that set in a box, then you can make your own thing, Ronald. Listen, I would love to know what you think. Should you follow the instructions to make sure it's done properly, or do you wanna be like my caveman friend here, like you've been handed a hammer for the first time, and have whatever unstable structure this is? Take a moment, leave your comments below, let us know, and until next week, I'm Ronnie.
And I'm Ronald.
See you later.